Hello everyone. You. Hi guys. So it's been a while since we talked, I guess. Hi. How are you? Tell me in the comments, cause I want to know. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. Subscribers. Yeah. I'm so grateful for you guys for being here. Consensual kiss to all of you. You. I had my subscribers count hidden because, to be honest, 30 subscribers were kind of embarrassing. But now it might be visible if Future Vaibhav did his work. He better do it. Okay, so since it's been a while since we talked, I would like to catch up you guys with the things that I'm doing and what's going on in my life in general. Very interesting video, I know. And while doing that, I have decided to do activity which I hate the most. No, not hate the most, but which I have very less experience with. That's what we do, right? Hate the things we don't know. Am I setting myself up for failure? Maybe I am, but when I have not, so let's go. Hello, mic testing. Hello. So I'm in my kitchen, as you can see. My relationship with cooking, as I described earlier, is not that good. I mean, I recently learned how to boil eggs. Yeah, I know I'm a man child, but soon I will be moving out, so like I would need this skill of cooking. Although in the hostel I might just be eating in the mess, but like yeah, it is an essential skill and I need to learn it. And in order to learn it, I need to start. And in order to start, I'm making this video. Let's go. So I would be cooking an easy recipe, I guess. Like it's a red sauce pasta that I saw on YouTube. It was some popular chef whose name I forgot. So I won't actually be showing the entire process in detail because I need to be talking also. So also if you actually want the recipe, then what are you even doing in this video? I will just link the recipe in the description. Okay, so let's go. Oh, it's hard to hold it with one hand. Okay, so while the water is boiling, I would like to make some affirmations so that this video turns out good. So affirmation number 1, I will not have a breakdown while shooting this video. Affirmation number 2, I will not burn this house down. Affirmation number 3, even if the food turns out bad, I will not question my self-esteem. So the first step would be blanching the tomatoes, and not to do that we need to make holes in them and then boil them and then peel them. Is it even recording? Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, so this one is kind of green, but yeah, we accept him here. He's welcome. So the water is boiling, so I think it's the time to put in the tomatoes. Ow! The fuck? I'll just put the pasta in the same water. Okay, so did I tell you guys that I'm on a break from the college? Like it's a 2 months break, and we are supposed to do an internship in this break, but I haven't done anything productive at all in the 20 something days that have passed in this break, and my over competitive brain is killing me. And that's why I couldn't even make any videos or like any music content or anything. I really thought that I would be like really productive in this break. Like I would make a lot of videos, a lot of music, and I would also do an internship. But my life is like literally stagnant right now. Like nothing is happening. I'm kind of like hanging out with my friends and having fun. That also matters. But yeah, my toxic productive mindset is not okay with that. Okay, so this is the fun part, peeling these tomatoes, because like the peels come out so easily. As you can see, the green part is not peeling off. I trusted in you, green tomato. You betrayed me. We'll just leave it there, I guess. Oh shit, I forgot. I have to put garlic also and forgot to peel these. I don't want to. The stuff goes inside your fingernails and it just smells for so long. Okay, so I've noticed a lot of my viewers are CLAT aspirants, and you guys often ask me for CLAT advice in my Instagram DMs or my YouTube comments, but sorry I'm not able to reply to you all. But soon I would be making a special video regarding this, like CLAT advice. Although I might not be the best person to give you advice, and also there's a lot of better advice available out there for free on the YouTube or any other platforms. But yeah, I will come back to you guys. So I'm sorry if I couldn't answer you. Hey, you call me up again just to break me like a promise. Look at the way cruel in the name of being honest. I'm a crumbled up piece of paper lying here. Cause remember it all. Okay, I think we're ready to cook this damn thing. So let's go. I'm not supposed to burn them, but like I guess they are pretty brown now. I don't know how that happened, but shit. This is not going good. So I'm finally adding the tomatoes now. Like, let's go. I don't think it is supposed to look this way. Okay, so we didn't have parsley at home, so my mom instead instructed me to put these mint leaves. Yeah, they grow outside in our balcony. In our balcony. Sorry, I think our sauce might be ready. So you might be noticing that I have been saying that I will release some music soon on this channel, but I have not been doing that. That's because I have not been able to make anything good, like up to the mark to like actually post. I make stuff and then I delete it because I don't like it. So yeah, it's been like that. Maybe I'm having a creative block or something, I don't know, but instead I'm working on my skill to make better music, and also if I make something good then I'll surely post on this channel. Oh my god, what did Yeah, now you can see. I think the sauce is ready, and we should like put the pasta now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Looks good, I think. Okay, so we don't have cheese at home, so I did some jugaad with the help of my mother. I think we're done. Are we done? I didn't even know. I'm just gonna cook for like a minute more and then I'm gonna serve. So I think we're done and I'm going to serve it to myself and myself only, because I'm not going to subject anyone else to my cooking. Actually, I don't know, it just might be good. Kind of looks okayish in the videos, but yeah, let's see how it tastes. Let's do the taste test. I will take the nicest bite of them all. I don't know. This is kind of good, although the aftertaste is kind of like burnt. I guess I burned the garlic. I didn't know when to put the garlic in the oil, I guess that's why. But this overall, I guess, tastes good. Kind of proud of myself. Yay. Doesn't happen very often. Meanwhile, I should put some nice music while I enjoy it. And by nice music, I obviously mean Taylor Swift.